Like is currently have HashLand token airdrop here. HashLand coin is currently doing the airdrop, so you can see the coin price about $8 for one token. It's going to rank at 3,500 on CoinMarketCap. And there are about 18,000 tokens on CMC apparently. So you can see the number of people on the watch list. So all you need to do, I think this is the second time they're giving out giveaway. So you want to add them to your watch list. And also, if you want to make research on this token or this project, you can also check price movement and more. So it went from $2 to about $770. Wow. So I don't know about that, but you guys can check it out. These are the market data extract. If you can see movement. And the official website is here for you to check out. Official website, source code, white and more, guys. So it's on the BNB Binance Smart Chain. Audit has been done by Cetic, the Metaverse or Play to Earn project. Then it says here, as of recording, you have 3 days left for this airdrop, ongoing airdrop campaign. It's free to participate. So you'll be giving away NFTs. So HashLand, they will be giving away their NFTs. So it started from February 21st to March 11th. So you want to jump on this as soon as possible. 1,000 NFTs giveaway. So I think this is a good one, guys. For how to participate, set the synthesizer or digital ownership and functional assets. So explore more game here. So you won't check about them and check it here on their Medium post. Then it says here you can set CMC. So for steps on how to participate, make sure you add it to your watch list. Make sure your watch list is set at public so it can be verified. And also you want to follow their official Twitter account, Telegram group, stay active on these platforms and retweet their pinned posts, as well as you can also subscribe to your YouTube channel and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel too, guys. Optional, or I believe you should try as much as possible to do it. Vote secure for HashLand on Cetic, and make sure you're not just voting secure because you want to vote secure. Make sure you've checked the project and you feel it's secure, so you want to do that so you don't mislead people. Make sure you check the project and make sure you believe it's secure before you vote secure, guys. And also it says like HashLand page on that reader, because that's why it's optional. So it's not compulsory you need to vote secure. So if you're voting secure, make sure you know that it is secure before you go ahead with it. So you want to make a little bit of research before pushing through with any of these optional requirements. So basically, HashLand is responsible for winner selections. So it will be a random distribution. So you want to take note of that. So this was the initial airdrop they did about 3 months ago, November 26th to December 10th. So if you won, then cheers to you guys. Either way, we hope you find this update helpful. See you in our future uploads, guys. It's your boy Keys. Any questions, let us know. Stay tuned for more. Peace out and one love, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, to our YouTube channel. Peace out.